Returning the product of a list. Is there a more concise, efficient or simply Pythonic way to do the following? Edit. I actually find that this is marginally faster than using operator.mul. Gives me.
Without using Lambda. It is better and faster. With Python 2.7.5. In the following configuration. Results with Python 2.7.5. Result, np.prod is the fastest one, if you use np.array as data structure, 18x for small array, 250x for large array. With Python 3.3.2. Is Python 3 slower?
If you just have numbers in your list. Edit, as pointed out by ed_of99555, this does not work for large integer results, in which case it returns a result of type numpy.int64, while Ian Cleland's solution based on operator.mul and reduce works for large integer results because it returns long.
Well, if you really wanted to make it one line without importing anything, you could do. But don't.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.